In this lesson, we're going to zoom into and understand what a film moment is made out of. What is a moment in a film? A film beat. It is a moment that we need to transport to the audience and make sure that the audience understands that moment. In order for the audience to receive a film moment, we need to take a story beat, story moment, and dissect it into 3 parts. A film moment is just like any moment that you notice around you in life. One of the key tools that I've used is to think of every moment in a film in 3 parts. Just like any film is 3 acts, any story for that matter actually is 3 acts. And the same goes for a film moment. A quick example from daily life of a film moment could be if you want a sip of water from a friend. You see that your friend has water, then you ask or plead if you can have a sip, and then hopefully your friend hands you the water. And even if the friend doesn't hand you the water, then still that's the 3rd act. 3 steps, 3 acts, 3 to rule them all. So let's look at another example. Let's say that we're writing a script where someone is raking leaves. So how do we convey this moment? How do we make a film moment out of someone raking leaves? So we need to dissect it into 3 parts. And the order of these 3 shots is kind of up to you. So for example, the first shot could be a close-up of someone raking leaves, like the close-up of the actual raking. The second shot could be that we reveal who is raking the leaves. And in the 3rd moment, we could see where the leaves are being raken, which is probably not the right English, but I'm saying it anyway. So this was an example of film moment. So when you write your script, think about what you want to say, make it as clear as possible to you, and then split what you want to say into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So this is for a film moment. So if you look at my face, look at my face. So I'm gonna have 3 subtle changes, like an actor would do it. Yeah. So I'm gonna start here. Three. Yeah. It's crucial to understand that a film moment isn't necessarily composed of 3 different shots or camera setups. Rather, it consists of 3 distinct story beats. This could be captured in a single shot focused on a character's face, held steady on a tripod. The key is to linger on the face long enough to capture 3 subtle shifts in emotion or thought. For instance, the character's eyes might first reveal contemplation, then shift to indicate a troubling thought, and finally resolve with a decision on what action to take.